Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Kowalski, we may be the oldest and the largest restoration contractor in Arizona, but we're not a household name. Now, Rosie, now that's a household name. So just remember Rosie and go and use that resource, and then you can find us there. And when you call, we have a live person that will answer the phone. They'll get the basic information from you, and then they'll turn it over to one of our on-call dispatch people, who will then call with get a little more information, because it's important for us to understand the size of the loss that we need to respond to. And so quite often, a homeowner can get excitable about a loss, and they'll say, my whole house is flooded. All right, we're thinking we got to send 3 crews down there and get them dried in. And in reality, it was one room, right? But in their world, their whole house is flooded. So we ask a lot of specific questions, and sometimes that's irritating to a homeowner that just wants, send a truck, send a person out. Well, we need to know how much equipment to bring, how many people to send to that, and address it so that we have an appropriate response. So we take some time to ask them questions, get some more specific information, and then a crews are immediately dispatched. And when we show up, the trucks are fully stocked, all the equipment is there, we're ready to go to work. We're not going to come out and assess the situation and then come back and get what we need. And we see that all the time. It's emergency response, and we're prepared to go out with whatever we need to do in order to handle that situation, providing we know what we're walking into.